Right, next we have 7 minus 3a is less than 1. If we add negative 7 to both sides, then we have this. And the result is minus 3a is less than negative 6. Now if we multiply both sides by negative 1, we'll have 3a on this side and 6 on this side. But now that we're multiplied by a negative number, we must reverse the symbol. So now we have greater than. And now to get a on its own, we divide both sides by 3 to have a is greater than 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So if we were to plot this on a number line, we'd have values to the right of 2, not including 2. So a greater than 2. Next we have this inequality. Now let's try and get all the constants on one side and the letters on the other. So if we move our 2 by adding negative 2 to both sides, we'll have negative 3t is greater than t, add 1 minus 2. And the result of this is 3t greater than t minus 1. And if we were to move our t on this side over to the left, we'll have minus 3t minus t is greater than minus 1. So we have minus 4t is greater than minus 1. We'd like to have t on its own, so we'll multiply both sides by minus 1, and the result is 4t is greater than 1. But we must change our inequality. Now it's less than because we multiplied by a negative value. To get t, we divide both sides by 4, and we have t is less than a quarter. And here's another one. We have a half c minus 1 is greater than or equal to c. Let's deal with the c first. We'll add negative c to both sides, so we'll have a half c minus 1 be greater than and equal to 0. We can add 1 to both sides to get rid of this negative 1. So we have a half c minus c is greater than or equal to 1. And now we have a half c minus c, which will give us, 1 over c. Oops, I changed that. Mistake. So this should be a half c minus c is greater than or equal to 1. So we have a half c minus c will give us minus a half c, that's greater than or equal to 1. We multiply both sides by negative 1, we must change the inequality. So we end up with a half c is less than or equal to negative 1. If we want c on its own, we must multiply both sides by 2. So we have c now is less than or equal to minus 2. Let's have a go at this one. We have m, we'll clear the brackets, greater than 2 minus 2m. We'll move our negative 2m from the right over to the left by adding positive 2m to both sides. So we have m add 2m is greater than 2. If you add 2m to this side, it cancels to 0. Now we have 3m is greater than 2, so m must be greater than 2 over 3. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. My name is Alistair. Don't forget to make any comments or ask any questions. Don't forget also to like, follow or subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.